This week we are testing out the brand new Sudio Femtio wireless speaker. Now I am a big fan of Sudio audio tech and I have done some fascinating reviews, all of which are on our channel just now, so I'm hoping this will be just as good. This is actually my first Sudio wireless speaker review, so yeah, I'm actually looking forward to it. So outside the box, there is the usual depiction of the Femtio speaker to the front. There are a few specs, like the speaker having 14 hours playback time, with it having IPX6 waterproof protection, and to the rear, there are some more specs, like you being able to use two of these Femtio speakers with one single device. Let's open it up and... oh my days! Look at that baby! How classy is that? Wow, I'm loving that design already. So we have a detailed owner's guide with a handy QR code inside, which will gain you access to more info and help. There is an 18 months warranty. Again, there's that absolute classy presentation. I'm moving that speaker aside just for now. Underneath, there is a Type-C charge cable. So yeah, fast charging is key with this product. And everything also comes well protected, with this large embedded foam padding that includes a quick start information sticker to the base. This Femtio, which actually means 50 in Swedish, well, it comes in a lovely fabric grey colour. There are two other colours to choose from, like that real nice anthracite version and a black version too. Now this speaker does retail around £99. That's around 107 in US dollars. But if you'd like to get this speaker cheaper today, then I'll leave a unique discount code in that video description down below. The speaker itself feels real versatile. It's got a bit of weight to it, weighing around 675 grams. It is quite mobile in hand, and I do think that those chrome and stainless steel look speakers on both sides gives this whole package a nice premium look. Now the controls. Yes, you do have access to Siri, etc. by pressing and holding the play pause button for 2 seconds. You can also click once to play and pause music, also pressing once to pick up or ending calls. You do have a previous and next track selection by pressing and holding either plus or minus buttons for 2 seconds, and clicking those buttons once to go up and down in levels with the volume control. Yep, you do have one-click pairing to the left. You have a power button to the right and a pairing and battery LED indicator to the bottom. You can check out the battery level by clicking the power button once and double tap that pairing button twice to use 2 speakers on one device. So connectivity via Bluetooth 5.0 is simple. Turn Bluetooth on your device, search and then select Femtio, and it should be as simple as that. It is compatible with iOS and Android and most laptops and Bluetooth PCs too. As mentioned, this speaker does have dual play technology, so you can connect 2 speakers on one device should you truly want to amplify your audio. But what is that audio like? Well, let's find out. Quality with this Sudio Femtio speaker is excellent. Right away you can truly compare the quality in comparison to those cheaper speakers. And that's not just me being hypnotised by the shaking of those woofers. I must say it is easily noticeable how Sudio has put a lot of effort in once again into supplying clarity over everything in their products. But even though audio is crystal clear, you still get some fantastic bass. That bass is quite deep when the speaker is laid out on a flat surface. The stand also certainly gives it that elevation that to me improves the circulation of the sound of those flat surfaces. The high tones are brilliant, mid tones are just as good without it being too overpowering, and those low tones are simply spot on. So yes, sound clarity, 10 out of 10. Presentation and design, 10 out of 10. You do get 13 hours 10 minutes out of a full charge, with that charge time taking around 3 hours 40 minutes for full charge. Bluetooth distance, well, it just gets over 11 meters without obstacles or walls being in the way. And while listening to different genres of music throughout the day, this speaker is great for both indoors and outdoors. The speaker unit is well sealed, it feels solid, which with its IPX6 waterproof protection, it can resist high pressure water sprays, but obviously it's not advised to submerge the speaker in deep water. No. Overall, I really do love this new Sudio Femtio speaker. It's a speaker that speaks class, with that funnel tube-like design and a fantastic choice of materials too. A stand at the bottom gives it that ornamental look, which would not only look great on a floating shelf, but on top of a fireplace or mantelpiece. If I was to rate this Femtio speaker not my usual rating out of 10, then today I'm pleased to give this fantastic product a 10 out of 10. Give it a 10 out of 10, not only for its fantastic look and design, but for its sound and the price tag too. Yes, it is in that £90 plus category, but in my opinion, it does certainly outlast some well-known brands on the market just now. Anyway guys, I hope this review helped today. Remember, there is that discount code in the video description down below, so go and check it out. And while you're there, please go ahead, and I'd very much appreciate it if you smash that like button. Please go ahead and subscribe, making sure that you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. Go ahead and check out my other Sudio reviews, which should be on your screen just now. And, well, thank you ever so much for watching, I very much appreciate it, and peace!